Alright guys, welcome back to the channel Making Money Trucking. So behind me I've got my 2024 F150 trimmer, and as I showed you in the last video, it's supercharged, it's been leveled, windows tinted, bed liner. It's been a great truck, and I wanted to explain to you what I paid for the truck. I let you guys out on the last video of what I paid. So this is a 2024 model. I got it in December, last month of the year. So this is a fully loaded trimmer. It's not the base model trimmer, it's got, like, I'll show you here. So this thing's fully loaded, it's got the leather, it's got the sunroof and, navigation, the whole 9 yards. So this truck was a fully loaded model, and MSRP was about, I think, 79 to 80,000, depending on some little options here or there. It's got the power on board, so again, so fully loaded. Let's see here, and then as you can see there, it's got the power on board, all the fancy tailgate stuff, the new tailgate for this year and whatnot. So with that being said, it was a 79, 80 MSRP or sticker for the truck, and I ended up paying around, I think I got it for 72 or 73. So pretty good deal, being, it's a 2024. It was at the end of 2024. And then to add the supercharger kit from Ford Performance was about $12,000. So all in, I was about $85,000 out the door for this truck with the supercharger and everything. I know that's a lot, but given the theme of a poor man's Raptor R, Raptor R's are 115 sticker, 135 with the 20,000 over. If you're lucky, you can get one made for 130. So for being 85 out the door with this, that's pretty awesome. And all we need to build is 35s, and that's, the front end's been leveled out, so 35 should fit. And yeah, so what you guys think of that? $85,000. I know it's a lot of money, but given that you got 700 horsepower and it's all factory warranty up to 36,000 miles, 3 year, that's great. So that's why I paid. I got an extremely good deal on the truck. Instead of paying $80,000 MSRP, I paid around 72 or 73. I know I was about out the door about 85,000. That was including the bed liner and the tent and the leveling kit. So that added another $1,000 or so dollars. So I would have been like probably 84. So yeah, that's what I paid. 85 is the answer. And then the supercharge kit is $12,000 installed from your dealer, or any dealer that is backed and approved from Ford to install these. All right guys, have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.